Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Chainlink tokens on Uphold and want to move them to your MetaMask wallet for more flexibility, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest steps to make sure everything goes smoothly. Whether you're building your crypto portfolio or just experimenting, withdrawing assets like Chainlink can open up new opportunities in DeFi. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Uphold account and MetaMask wallet set up and verified. Open your Uphold app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio and find your Chainlink linked tokens. This is usually under the Crypto section. Just select Link to view your balance. Next, switch over to MetaMask. If you haven't already, add the Ethereum network since Chainlink operates on it. Click on your account in MetaMask, copy your wallet address, and double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, head back to Uphold. Go to the withdrawal option for your Chainlink tokens. Paste in your MetaMask wallet address, specify the amount you want to withdraw, and review the network fees. Uphold typically uses the Ethereum network for this, so keep an eye on gas prices to minimize costs. Hit confirm, and you'll get a verification prompt. Make sure to approve it via email or two-factor authentication for security. After that, sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your MetaMask wallet to see your Chainlink tokens arrive. If you run into issues, like a failed transaction, ensure you're on the correct network and that you have enough funds for fees. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Chainlink from Uphold to MetaMask in 2025. This process keeps your assets secure and under your control. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.